Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xingfa Exhibition Hall. Xingfa System is the R&D department of Xingfa Windows and Doors. And here behind me is Xingfa Exhibition Centers of key research items demonstrations. Let's go and take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is ESD100 sliding door system. Triple seal between sashes enhance waterproof and airtight performance. Also, the hidden lock points and lock back brackets increase the security level. This product has stainless steel tracks and U-shaped bottom wheels. And also, this product has two different bottom frames as an options for different users.